Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete TikTok Shop for Creator. So if you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So what you can do is you can first head over to seller-ph.tiktok.com/homepage, which is the URL for your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Once you have logged into your TikTok Shop, you can do is you can head over and scroll down right here on this left sidebar, or you can just head over and click on this My Account right here. Now scroll down and here you can see this link TikTok accounts. So click on this link TikTok accounts, and then once you have done that, this will load in here your account as well as your marketing accounts that you can see. So what you can do is you can head over and just click on this unlink option right here, and then once you have unlinked it, you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below as well, or just comment down below and we will try our best to answer if you have any questions. Thanks.